So first of all, to save an object, as we can see in here, where'd I put it? Okay. What we wanted, in order to actually save the variable, so once, for instance, we have underscore global dot, well, what did we name it? I'm going to delete that. We named it save file. So what we want to do is save, make sure we're going toward our underscore root, underscore save file, dot data, and well, let's say dot magic equals underscore global dot hero dot magic. So that's all fine and dandy, but even though we are saving it to the save files magic object, it's not actually going to save it once we close the flash. The only way to actually save it is to make sure you access it, save file, and put dot flush. Now what this will do is whenever flush is ran, it will save any data that has already been written to this file. So now that's fine and dandy, but we would have to copy this code right here for every variable. And what if we decide to add more variables and we forget to add it into the save file function? Well, there's a way around that. Remember those for loops I was talking about? Well, here they come in. What we can do is, instead of doing our standard like I equals 0 and all like that, we could say, for instance, for a in underscore global dot hero, what that will do is it will loop through every item within the hero object, and we can refer to it, or the index of that object is a. So for instance, we can do this, underscore root dot save file a equals underscore global dot hero a. Now what this will do is save file at the index of a will save our the variable at the index of a to our save file at the same index. And every object, if it contains data like our hero, it's technically an array and can be used with this for loop. Make sure it's just for. Yep, see, for instance, we have a similar thing right here. File.data a equals my hero vars.a. Now what, I'm just going to copy this function, and this is to just help verify all the, oh whoops, things are getting screwy. Trace. So now it will say saved whatever our a variable is with the value of, and then it reads that data. So if we go ahead and control enter, oh, we're not running the function, so let's actually go to, I think we put it here, yes. So on release, now we're going to want to put save file, and we hit control enter. We'll type in Bender is my name, save name, generate my stats. Attack is 5, defense is 5, speed is 8, and magic is 5. So everything is 5s except for my speed. That's a lucky coincidence. Hit continue. So now if I hit save, what's going wrong? Let's see, save file. And let's go global hero, save file. You know what? I think I know what it is. Let's go ahead and take that. Let's actually throw it in our save file function. Variable save file equals new shared object, save underscore file. Save file. Oh, that's why. And screen glitched. I know you changed. Go away. I kept it file 1 for my previous code. That's generally why you don't want to copy. It's not a good process. We just named ours, actually not file, save file. Save file.data, save file.flush. If we save that, now, if we go ahead and do it now, Bender, save name, generates, again, we got 3 5s and an 8 for our defense. Lucky coincidence again. We hit save. There we go. Oh, we're getting undefined. Let's see what's going wrong. Underscore root.save file. Let's just change it to save file A, because that's what I think I have it in here. File 1. Actually, let's remove this var, because var tends to sometimes screw up certain objects, I've noticed. So let's go ahead and test it now. And yeah, this is a weird problem I've had with this. It keeps, what's going wrong? Missing assignment. Oh, it's because I'm trying to name it the same name as the function. Alright, so we'll just name it to oh, file won't work. That's a keyword. Let's name it our file. So that means we need to change it to our file. Change it here to our file. Oh, our. And then our file.flush. So now if we, okay, everything's okay, go ahead test, and it's file not found. I hate it when it does that. I'm not sure if that's just a glitch. Yeah, it's a glitch. Sometimes it does that and it doesn't load any of my action script, but let's go ahead and type my name, say my name, generate my stats. There we go. There's a nice good random one. Attack of 9, a defense of 5, a speed of 6, and a magic of 8. If we hit continue and hit save. And it is still not working. This is not good. I figured out why. I feel stupid. We didn't put in .data for our file, so I was trying to save everything to just the our file object, which it won't work. It needs to save to our file .data. So now we go ahead and test. Let's try this one last time. Bender, save name, generate stats 7959. Continue. Okay. Let's see what is going wrong. Let's see. A heroes A for A and our global variables. Underscore global.hero. Let's see. Trying to see where our code is getting wrong. Our file.data A. Data A equals hero vars A. File.data. Our file.flush. Shared object. Maybe it's the thing like that. Maybe it was something wrong with oh, okay. I see what I've been doing wrong. The shared object equals not a new shared object. It needs to equals shared object dot get local. So equals shared object dot get local. And now, okay, so I figured out. Let's try it again. Bender, save. We got 9 attack, 7 defense, 7 speed, and 10 magic. So we got ourselves a battle mage. So if we hit continue, hit save, there we go. Magic of 10, speed of 7, a defense of 7, an attack of 9, and a player name of Bender. So now that we have it to actually save our things, let's go ahead and add another function to here. Call it function load file. And what we need to do for this is we need to again say our file equals shared object.getLocal for the save file. So what we need to do is first we need to figure out if anything has been actually saved to the file. So what we need to do is we need to say if our file.data, and we'll pick a random variable from our hero var. Let's do dot, I think it was player name equals undefined